Hey guys, in this video, we're going to test out the center stage camera on FaceTime app on the iPad Pro 2021. Now the purpose of the center stage camera is that while you are FaceTime with someone else, it will always try to keep you in the center of the frame. So it doesn't matter if you're going to move it to the left or you're going to move it to the right, the camera can actually follow you. Now this feature actually available quite a long time ago on webcam camera, but never on iPad. So now on iPad, when you move around, the camera can actually follow you, and it's really great. So let's turn on FaceTime and test it out. So here, if I press on the FaceTime button, and here you can see the camera actually is on this side here, and it will try to zoom in, and if I move it to the left, it will move with me. If I move it to the right, it will also move, and it actually can move quite far, and it can move up and down as well. Okay, here is a video that I have recorded, so you can check out the quality of the recording, so you can see what it's like when you move around side to side or up and down. Now, as you can see, it's actually quite clear. It is a little bit of, it has some noise in it, but not a lot. It is clear, but not super clear. As you can see, it is a very small camera on the top right here. The camera is very small. There it is. And so that's it. That is the center stage camera on your iPad Pro 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.